Welcome to the engineer jobs. Siemens is hiring for the post of maintenance engineer with Diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical/electrical engineering. Having 6 months 1 years of experience. Location is based in Thane, Maharashtra. Job description. Responsible to handle the plant maintenance activities in all shifts with the objectives of achieving the highest service level to production department and minimizing breakdown time of equipments. Understanding of basic hydraulics and pneumatics systems/circuits. Candidate shall have knowledge of electrical circuit diagram, control logic, troubleshooting. Hands-on experience of PLC and variable frequency drives. Experience in maintenance of EOT cranes, vacuum pumps, oil filtration plant, chillers, AHU, and air compressors, air cushion transporter, VPD plants, winding machines, hydraulic scissor and boom lifter, stackers, diesel and battery-operated forklift, diesel generator set. Knowledge of HT/LT power distribution panel, PCC, MCC, circuit breakers, relay, transformer, motor maintenance. Coordinate, organize and execute the preventive maintenance plan of critical machines. Frame AMCs as per business requirements and coordination with vendor to ensure smooth execution AMC activities. Coordinating for various audits related to QMS and S. Breakdown analysis, root cause analysis, repetitive breakdown analysis, of critical equipments/critical breakdowns, maintaining breakdown registers, equipment history cards, record keeping. To organize and coordinate activities with external service providers/agency/OEM/AMC contractor in the plant. Coordination of all safety and legal related activities for the factory. Forecasting of spares required for the machine maintenance and repairs. Providing inputs for maintenance budget planning for next financial year. Generating purchase requisition with technical requirements/scope. Compliance of observations from various audits/management rounds. Comply to safety essential guidelines and actively participate in recognizing and mitigation of ES risks and opportunities at workplace. Adhere to safe work practices and Siemens ES requirements. Consultation and participation in HERA, Aspect Impact, UAUC, SOP, TBT. Strive towards achieving culture of zero harm. Provide visible, strong, and active ES leadership within the location, acting as a champion for zero harm and well-being for safe working environment. Working knowledge in Microsoft Office applications. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.